Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit funds from QXBroker to Binance. First, log into your QXBroker account and find the withdrawal option. You'll need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to send. It's crucial to have your Binance account set up and verified beforehand to ensure a smooth transaction. This initial step lays the groundwork for a successful transfer, so take your time and double-check everything before proceeding to the next stage of the process. Next, you'll need to get your deposit address from Binance. Log into your Binance account and click on the Deposit button. Search for the same cryptocurrency you chose in QXBroker. This is a critical step. Make sure to select the correct network, as choosing the wrong one could result in permanent loss of your funds. Once you've confirmed the network, copy the unique deposit address that Binance provides. This address is where your funds will be sent. Now, return to your QXBroker withdrawal page. Carefully paste the Binance deposit address you just copied into the designated address field. Then, enter the precise amount of cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. Before finalizing, take a moment to meticulously double-check all the details, especially the address and the amount. You will likely need to confirm the withdrawal using a two-factor authentication code, adding an extra layer of security to your transaction. Finally, it's time to monitor your deposit. You can track the transaction status on both your QXBroker withdrawal history and your Binance deposit history. Binance usually requires a specific number of network confirmations before the funds are credited. Typically, your deposited cryptocurrency should appear in your Binance spot wallet within a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. If your funds haven't arrived after a reasonable period, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.